Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to test out this cutie right here, which is the Nivea Essentials 1 minute urban detox mask. Over here it's newly arrived in the market, so I wanted to try it out. So it purifies skin by reducing environmental stresses, exfoliates dead skin cells with a peeling effect, and provides extra deep cleansing. Clarifies skin clarifies skin, refines its appearance, and supports a perfect complexion. So now let's read the instruction. Apply generously onto a cleansed face, avoiding the eye and lip area. Leave for 1 minute before rinsing off. So guys, this is just a 1 minute mask and it sounds pretty cool, but let's see. It says it does many things, but let's see if it actually does. I don't have anything on my face right now. It's cleaned and it does not even have a moisturizer. And excuse my voice. So I will just tie my hair and we will get started. Okay, so I think we're pretty much done applying this, and now we have to wait 1 minute, and after that we can remove it. By the way, just for random information, this is the first actual mask that I'm using because I don't like using products from outside. I prefer like using natural ingredients, and my go-to masks would be just lemon and honey, or if nothing else, just plain yogurt would do. Or you can even mix these three ingredients and create a mask and put it on for 10 to 15 minutes and it will work wonders. Like, you can do this once or twice a week and your skin will be perfect. So yeah, I'll see you after this minute gets over. It's been a minute and now I'll wash it off and I'll see you again. I washed my face and I am back. Do I see any difference? My skin definitely feels softer, and I don't know about the detoxifying as far as this is concerned because it's just a minute mask, and I think after a while, like if you continue using it for a month, like once a week, if you use this for like a month or two, then you would actually notice the difference. But the instant difference is my skin is very soft and it is kind of glowing and it feels fresh. So I am pretty happy with this product because considering the price and the time it takes for this mask, I do recommend it. So yeah, after you're done with this, you can even you should not even you should you should moisturize your skin with a moisturizer. As you all know, my favorite is the Nivea Soft. And so yeah, I'll moisturize my skin and probably I'll go to sleep now. And thank you for watching, guys. Let me know if there are any other products like this this that you would like me to try on, and I shall. Okay, then see you soon. Bye bye.